LG G3 dim and flickering screen fix. See that? Well, you got to take the screen off, easy, shitloads of screws, undo them around the edges, carefully pop off the black trim, get your fingernails under it and it'll come off. Then undo the little chipboards on there, it's pretty self-explanatory, all the little bits with the tape on, bend them back, pull that off and it'll expose this and the chipboard. Chipboard's heating up the screen, basically shorten it out. So get a little puncture repair tab, sticky on the back, put him on there like that. And then after that, some tin foil, make a neat little pull, fold it, make a cube. This is basically insulate it to cube that up to what? Actually, I'm going to make a long strip. I'm going to put another bit around that as well, actually, because it's not very thick. It's better to do this before the video, but hey, hold it around there, make that like that, just to insulate it, and then just tape it really, you want the sellotape, a little bit of sellotape.
I wouldn't worry about the sellotape too much, it's going to stay in one place anyway.
Just keep that screw hole clear. Need to avoid touching that as well a little bit. Just make sure it fits alright. Try not to arc it out on anything obvious. Wallop that on there. And to be fair, that should hold. Sometimes it's a better idea to tape it onto there, but I ain't got no sellotape. I'm just going to see if that's got any friction on it. Keep it where I need it. Otherwise it's going to end up sliding down. Get that in there. Pull the tab back. It's a bit fidgety, but it works. Bit of Stanley blade or something. No, don't use Stanley blade. Just make sure that's under there, not moving around. Seems okay. Right, now that's down on there. Press it down gently, don't break the chipboard, or you won't have nothing. Right. These little connectors, make sure you put them on straight, don't try and force them, just press down. You should feel a little click. There you go. Same with this one. Click. That's it. Don't wiggle, don't jiggle. Down here, bottom one. Click. And the last little one here. A little bit smaller. Make sure it goes on square. He's in. Right. Now it's just a case of putting this black trim back on. Little rubber plummet up there. He come off. Oh, boy. Pop that on. Click it down just so it's friction fitting. Then do this one. Push it in, it'll slide in the sides there, look. Click it down. And then reassemble the 10 million screws. Switch your phone on. And you're done.
Stevie's Vlogs.